Hey, welcome back to Let's Take. It's your boy Luke, and today I'm gonna know my favorite iPhone 11 cases for 2019. As you know, I've reviewed so many different cases in the last 3 months now. I've probably tried nearly 30-40 different cases from over 20 different brands, and these are my currently 5 favorite iPhone 11 phone cases for 2019. But yeah, let's begin with the video. So these are currently my favorite phone cases for 2019, and all the cases I'll feature are going to be in the description. If I have a coupon code for those, I'm going to have those in the description as well, so do check that out. But yeah, let's begin with the first case. So this one is from Cyrill. That's how you pronounce it, but this is currently my go-to leather case. As you can see, I've used this quite a while and you've got a lot of wear tear. This is a very nice case, so why am I putting it on? I just want to show you the inside. So this is one of the Spigen range, Spigen partnership cases. As you can see, we've got the nice old fabric inside. Got the Cyrill branding there. The case is really nice. I do like this black leather one, which is currently my favorite leather case in black. But as you can see, we do have metal buttons here, so aluminum buttons, which are really nice and feels really premium. We have this gold logo here, which goes really well with my gold phone. But yeah, let's try the power button here now. So that works fine, as you can see, really well. So let's just unlock the phone and try the volume rocker. As you can see, just make sure that this works fine. Volume rockers works fine. So it's a really nice case. As you can see, I do have some wear and tear here, but we've got a big cutout for the speaker grille as well as your lightning port. And the mute switch, everything looks nice. So I do like this black version with the gold touch, and the metal button just makes it look a bit more premium. It feels really premium as well. You can see we've got this padded leather finish, it's not like a plain leather, but we have these details and you can feel it when you're having it in your hand, and it just feels really nice. You can see I've got some dents, some greases and everything, but it just looks much better like that. And you know, leather cases gets better over time, aging and everything. But this just looks really nice. I'm loving this color. This is, as I said, this is my favorite black leather case. This is just my go-to iPhone case, which I use on my daily basis. And I just love it. Like, you can't go wrong here. It's black, it's nice. Yes, you do get this gold touch here, but if you don't have a gold phone, it might look weird, but it looks nice on my phone and I'm loving it. So the next case we're going to check out is from Pitaka. If you haven't heard of them, I really don't know what to say because they're just creating the rage everywhere on YouTube. But this is the Pitaka case, matte case for the iPhone 11 Pro, and this is only 0.85 millimeters in thickness, and this is a genuine carbon fiber, and we do have the metal plates inside as well. Your magnetic plates, get this on your car and everything. If you don't have the mounts or anything, you can use that, which is really nice. And of course, wireless charging works in this case, which is a bonus because some magnetic case don't have wireless charging because they have the magnet in the middle, but this goes on both sides. But I do like this carbon touch feel. It just feels really premium and it's just nice, proper, sturdy. So even though it's thin, it's just really strong. So let me put it on my phone here. Volume rocker in first, and that is how the phone looks on my case with the gold. It looks really nice and just gives you that extra premium look. But of course, it's going to look nice with the space gray or midnight green or even the white iPhone. But I love my gold and this looks really nice. So you have really huge cutout here because it's just so thin. It's just really hard to make cutouts for the buttons and keep this case strong. So you don't need to worry about the buttons on this side because it just goes straight to your phone. But at the top you do have a cutout as well, so it's easy for you to take it off and on. On the bottom you've got a cutout as well, but you don't have any lip protection on this case, so just take that in mind. When you drop the phone with your screen facing down, you are going to probably scratch your screen. But overall, it's a very thin case and it's going to give you some nice protection on the back, and we do have this lip for the camera, so you know that's not going to get damaged. But as I said, on the front you don't have any protection, which I feel a bit sad. It would be nice if it came a bit bummed up. It's just been a bit overall case, but they do a ruggedized case, so if you do want to check out, you can do that as well. But I like this thin case. It just feels premium, I have to say that. And it's on the steep side, but I still love it and I love it. Yes, I just love it. But yeah, it works really well with the magnets. So if you got one of the car mounts or desk mount, you just go and it just max it on, which is really nice. But they do loads of different accessories to work with the cases, which I really admire. I'm going to be checking out more of their products and make sure you are sticked around. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell icon to stay updated with my latest video. But yeah, let's move on to the next case. So the next case is from Adidas, whatever you want to call it, wherever you're from the planet, but I call it Adidas, so we're gonna stick with that. But this is the Ultra Cyrill Case. So this is the navy blue version, but it comes in a black version as well, but I prefer this blue. It is just stunning. Like, you've got this really soft fabric here, and it changes color depending on the way you move your hand, as you can see. But these, like, it's back from when the days when they have the sneakers in this fabric as well, like velvet. I'm not sure what you want to call it, but here it's just called Ultra Cyrill Case, as you can see. But it just feels really premium. You do have a nice protection, and the back is hard plastic, so you know you're gonna get a bit of protection. But yeah, on this, so let me put my phone in here. Like, you see, that is just really nice, and with the gold Adidas logo, it looks just way much better. But as you can see, we do see some of the frosted bit as well as the gloss bit of the camera, but you are getting a nice protection here, as you can see. On the front, we do have a tiny lip protection, so that's good. So in case you drop your phone, you can protect your screen a tiny bit. If you have it on the table, your screen is not going to get scratched. But the buttons works fine, as you can see. Nice and clicky. Let's just open up. Let's try the volume rocker. That's fine. Mute switch. No issues, because you have a nice big cutout, as you can see. On the bottom, all the speaker grills are nicely cut out, even though this side it's not beside cut out. I'm not sure why, but I think it looks nice because it looks unique, just symmetry wise. But otherwise, this case is really nice. Just the feel, it's just really nice. If you don't prefer this navy blue, you can always pick up the black one, but I like this navy blue, and with the gold logo, it looks just really nice to my phone. I'm digging this, just admire that. And it's just really soft, I have to say this. It's just really nice, like, you can't complain here. You can't go wrong with this case. But yeah, let's move on to the next case. The next case is from Torras. If you haven't heard of them, I don't know what to say, because they make a ton of great cases for a lot of different phones. But today I'm going to check out the clear case, because this is my favorite clear case. In case I want to show the nature of the color of my phone, just the true beauty of this iPhone, this is the case I go to. It gets a bit of protection, but it just shows off that gold color and everything. It doesn't hide anything. Yes, there's some other thin cases out there, but I just feel they're too thin. I just want a bit of protection when I have my phone without any case and just showing this gold color. But I do like this. It's very simple, nothing fancy. We do have some drop protection as well on the inside. Like, if I take the case off, I can show you that. On the inside, we have these grooves here to help with the drop protection. So if I drop my case, it is going to be sturdy, and it's not like one of those cheap plastic that's going to get yellowy after time. It is nice, sturdy, and you have this PC back as well, so it's going to be really sturdy as well. But it's not some heavy drop protection case, anything like that. It's just a simple clear case with some tiny protection. We have lip protection for the camera, which is nice, and on the corners it does go out a bit more to help with the protection, so that's really good, so in case you drop it. But yeah, as you can see, the button works fine. Just get rid of that, and let's try the volume rockers. You can see they work really fine. Mute switch, no issue, works good. Bottom cutout is nice and precise. We do have a decent cutout for your lightning port, so in case you need to charge your phone, in case you have a weird charging cable that takes up space, you should be fine here. Overall, this case is really nice, as you can see. Very simple. This is just mainly to show off my phone color. I don't use it a lot. It's just when I want just to look at my phone in this nature color, I use this case. But yeah, this is my favorite clear case of all time, well, for 2019. Well, let's move on to the final case. The final case, which I really just love, I just recently got it and I just extremely love it. It's from BlackEye. They actually make lenses for your phones, like these tiny lenses here. But this is the case as well. And the thing about the case is you get the screw mount included, so you can just screw on the lenses without needing these like bulky clips, which I find a bit annoying and a bit worried they're gonna fall off. But this case is really nice. You have that little screw mount there, and you look at this nice wood finish on the back. I like this dark wood, and you've got a grippy case as well. You have these lines, so it's going to be much better when you grip the phone to take the pictures. And I do like that you get this little lanyard hook, so you're not going to drop your phone while you're taking those amazing pictures. So if I put my phone inside, I can show you how that looks. So phone is in there, the camera are fully cut out, and you have a lot of protection. And we do have a tiny lip protection at the front as well. And you can see we have these little grooves to make sure you can hold the phone properly, which is nice. But yeah, the buttons are where we work. The buttons are simple. You can see them and they work fine. Let's just unlock my phone, try the volume rocker. No issue. Mute switch, no issue. But yeah, I do like this wood finish here, which looks really nice. It would be nice if they had more options, but as of now, they only have this dark wood option. And with the lenses, they just pop out and they just pop in like this, and you can just take pictures, which is really nice. So if I open the camera up here, and if we go to Charmander here, all the way close, you can just see that it's just really nice. But yeah, you can always have the lens on, and you can just go in here, take those some stunning pictures. But this case is really nice. Even without the lens, it looks really nice with the wood finish. I do like it. It's very nice. It's a bit different. Yes, I know there's so many different cases out there, and I've tried a lot. If you haven't watched any of my case review, just check out my channel, because I review cases on the weekly basis. As I said, I've tried over 40 cases from like 20-30 different brands, and these are currently my favorite 5 cases for 2019. Make sure you stick around for next year, because we're gonna have a lot of more cases, a lot of different types of cases, so probably gonna have some different options back then. But these are currently my favorite. Like, this is just my opinion. These cases are what I use on my weekly basis, my daily basis. These are the cases I change between day-to-day use, depending where I go, what I'm wearing. But these 5 cases, I just really love them. They're really nice. If you do want to check them out, check out the link in the description. If I have any coupon codes for those cases, those will be in the links as well. But as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.